Today I'll be making buttered garlic potatoes. So to start with, I cut my potatoes. I cut my onions. And I started boiling my potatoes. Secondly, I had to cut my fish. Then I fried my fish. As you can see, I'm frying the fish now. In a few minutes time, the fish is already seasoned. In a few minutes time, the fish will be ready. Then I proceed to blending my fresh pepper and onions. I started frying it. Then I made the sauce. This is basically the sauce for the fish. Now it's almost ready. I'm still frying it. Now I'm putting in my fish, which means the sauce is ready. So this is the sauce for the buttered potatoes. Now I proceed to sauteing my butter and onions. Also with garlic, white pepper. These are the seasoning for the buttered potatoes. I'm adding in my paprika. Then I mix my potato, and this is the final look. So I decided to garnish it this way. For my second recipe, I'll be making a party jollof rice. Also, if you're wondering why making a party jollof rice, the foil paper is very important, and that's why I used it.